Across the globe, a new era of AI is taking hold. From modernizing industrial corridors to securing critical infrastructure, the focus has shifted from training models to the real-world challenge of running them. Organizations are looking for ways to turn AI potential into operational performance, but scaling AI often reveals a costly reality. Fragmented point solutions and rigid cloud dependencies. These silos can drive up costs and complicate deployment. To move forward requires a more flexible approach to AI infrastructure, a solution that prioritizes efficiency and business outcomes. The Blaize AI services platform delivers application-level AI services, going beyond traditional inference to provide integrated capabilities that combine modal execution, orchestration, and system control. Instead of isolated functions, it delivers ready-to-use APIs that abstract the complexity of building AI systems, enabling developers and infrastructure providers to rapidly assemble production-ready solutions. Deployable across fog edge data centers, on-premise enterprise data centers, and in the cloud, it supports the edge while maintaining a consistent operating model across every environment. At its core, a hybrid architecture combines Blaize's power-efficient GSP with GPU compute, placing the right workloads on the right engines to help optimize performance and power efficiency. The result is a platform designed to reduce deployment effort and accelerate the path from prototype to real-world deployment, delivering AI services that you control. This is AI in action, intelligence deployed across real-world environments. In the Americas, it can drive resilient infrastructure across public safety, retail, and logistics. Across Asia, it can power sovereign deployments in advanced manufacturing, maritime, and transportation hubs. And in the Middle East, it is supporting a historic digital transformation, enabling sovereign AI for energy facilities, oil and gas, and smart city infrastructure. By turning multimodal data into actionable intelligence, Blaize AI Services Platform helps organizations reduce cost, improve outcomes, and unlock new revenue opportunities within environments they control. The future of AI isn't just about the model, it's about the execution and the infrastructure that delivers it. Explore how the Blaize AI Services Platform can support your vision. Blaize, practical AI from edge to cloud.